Good evening, guys. So today I want to teach you guys how to create a crypto landing page or a Bitcoin landing page or whatever you might call it. So basically this tutorial is about creating a crypto landing page with WordPress. Okay, maybe you want to launch a new coin, or maybe you want to launch a new ICO, or maybe you even created your own cryptocurrency and want to create a website for it. So in this video I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to go about it from WordPress. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Now before we start creating a website, we know we need a domain and hosting. Okay, I assume you know how to get a domain and hosting before watching this video. If you don't know how to get a domain and hosting, you can check some videos on YouTube to give you a guide, but we are not going to that today. So if you want to get a domain and hosting, well, you can get from Bluehost. Bluehost, you can get from Bluehost will give you a domain and hosting, maybe for a price less than $20 or so. I don't know the pricing, but I personally use InterServer. So if you want to get a domain and hosting for under, let's say under $10 or so you can use InterServer. InterServer is very fast and it comes with cPanel. So this is not a promo, so I'm just giving you a guide. Okay, so the first step now is, since I already have a domain and hosting, let me install WordPress. So if you don't know how to install WordPress, follow through the video. Okay, so let's go to cPanel. So from cPanel, I'm gonna create a domain. I already have a domain, so I'm just going to create a subdomain to use for this tutorial. So let me create a subdomain. So if you don't know how to create a subdomain, you're gonna know how to create a subdomain. It's super simple. So let's just say crypto. And just say crypto and create. So this is the domain I'm gonna use for the tutorial. Now the next thing is to install WordPress, because we are gonna be creating this crypto website on WordPress. Okay, so the next step is to install WordPress. So it's super simple to install WordPress via cPanel. Under Softaculous app installer, click on WordPress. So WordPress is like a software, so I want to install the software on my domain. So I click on install. So I'm going to select the domain I just created. And we don't need all that. So username and password, just leave it, because since this is a tutorial. So click on install. So our new website is ready to be developed. I'm gonna fix the SSL later. So since this is just a tutorial, I don't want to take our time. So this is our WordPress dashboard. Now let me walk you through basically what we want to do. So number one is to get hosting and domain. 2, install WordPress on your domain. 3, choose and install a theme of your choice. 4, customize your theme. So basically these are the 4 major things you want to do in this video today. So we've installed WordPress on our domain. So the next thing we want to do is to choose a theme and install it on our newly installed WordPress. Now why do we need to choose a theme? Why can't we just write a script from scratch and like the developers do. Okay, we can do that. So for a newbie, for someone who is a newbie and who doesn't know much about developing websites, writing codes, this is the easiest way for you to build a website. Okay, we already have a lot of themes on ThemeForest and Envato already designed with different demos. All you just have to do is install the demo and put it on your website and edit it. That's all. So it's super simple. So the next thing we want to do now is to find a theme. So if you want to get a theme for like $50, $40, $30 or less, you can go to ThemeForest. So from ThemeForest you get different types of them. They are not free. So $60, $39. So you just have to search for your keyword. Maybe you want to design an e-commerce website or any other website, search for the keyword and get it in. But if you are on a budget, I recommend using this website, pluginthemes.net. okay, pluginthemes.net. So from this website, all you just need to do is subscribe, a one-time payment, and you will have access to thousands of WordPress themes. So I already have a subscription on this website. So let me see if I can get anything related to Bitcoin. So okay, we have a theme here. So this is a theme. So let's check out the demo before we download it. So as you can see, this theme has has a lot of demo. So we are gonna choose one of these demo and put it on our website and edit it. So creating a website with WordPress is super easy. As you can see, this is a crypto website. So you can see, if you want to launch your high SEO, you can just use this website, this thing for your website. All you just have to do is edit it to your taste. So without wasting much of our time, let me just close these tabs and download the thing. So let me download the thing. This is the thing we're gonna use. So we are done with this tab and this and this. So let's install our theme. If you don't know how to install a theme on WordPress, it's super easy. Click on appearance, click on add new, click on upload theme. So there is something you have to understand about installing a theme on WordPress. Okay, so I'm gonna show you right now. So this is the theme we just downloaded. So I'm gonna put it here. So before you install a theme on WordPress, you have to check if the folder you downloaded, because it's gonna come in a zip file, if the file you downloaded, if it is a bundle or a single theme, because there are some themes that are bundles. So inside this bundle we will have the theme you are going to install itself. So as you can see, so this is the theme we want to install, this is the file we want to install. So if you go ahead and install all this file, it won't work. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. So instead of choosing, let's go, okay, I saved it on desktop. Instead of choosing all these files, all I have to just do is extract here. I have to extract the file because this is the file I want to install. So I click on this cryptic zip and click on install. So it's super simple. So just have to wait now for our theme to be installed. So if we check our main website, the main website, you will see it has nothing, it's blank. Okay, so but after we install the theme now and everything, we have it exactly as the demo. So after installing the theme, click on activate. So after activating the theme, it will prompt you to install the required plugin for the theme to work. Okay, make sure you install the plugin. That's the next step. Don't do any other thing before installing the plugin. So let's install the plugin one by one. If you don't have good reception, make sure you install the plugin one by one. If you install all the plugin at once by selecting everything and installing it at once, and you don't have a very good reception, or maybe your hosting, the hosting you bought, it has very low capacity, your website will run into an error. So you have to start all over again. So it is advisable to install all the plugins one by one. It won't take much time. Okay, so this is taking more time. Okay, done. So let's install these two. And check for WordPress. As you can see, all these plugins came along with the theme. So if you are an expert in developing WordPress websites, you already know what plugin to use, you already know what widgets, and will know whatever to use. But as a beginner, you don't know all this stuff, so you can activate everything at once. That is why it's recommended to use a pre-made theme like this. So after installing all the required plugin, the next thing is to install the theme as demo. Okay, let's go back to the website and check the demo. So if we install the theme and install the plugin, we still won't have the theme as demo. Let's load the website and see. As you can see, the website is quite different from the demo we viewed the other time. So what we want to do now is to install the theme as demo. We want our website, our main website, to look like one of these demos. Okay, that is what we call installing a theme as demo. So we want our website to look exactly as this, so that we can just go ahead and edit it. So we don't want to start from scratch, but as you can see, the main website currently doesn't look like that. Okay, I'm gonna fix that right now. So the next thing is to find an option from your dashboard which says install one-click demo import, or install demo, or whatever. So mainly you will find it, most times you will find it under appearance. As you can see, import demo data. But if you can't find it under appearance, you should find an option from this menu with the name of the theme. Then let's say this post is the name of the theme, crypto ICO. So from the name of the theme from the dashboard, you will see something like import demo data too. So if you can't find it under appearance, just find any of these tabs, you find it. So let's click on import demo data. So now we have to choose between one of these demo and install it. So you can choose any demo you want, but I'm gonna choose this demo because it is white and clean. So click on install. So you have to wait for the demo to install, and then we will have our website exactly as the demo. Okay, so let's give it a minute or two. It says import completed. Okay, let's see. Okay, now we have a crypto landing page on our domain. So if you are like me, you already know what is next. The next thing is to what? Customize the theme. As you can see, you have a pre-made website at your fingertips, super fast. So all you just have to do is to edit it. You can even sell these services to people who needs it. Okay, you don't need to be an expert developer to do this. So I'm gonna edit the website now a little bit, just to make sure I don't waste much of our time, so that you can be able to do it on your own. So let's do some basic settings before going to the website. So these are the basic settings you have to do for a newly created website. So site title, you can change it to your brand name, crypto, number, let's say number 1 crypto landing page. So you put whatever you want to put there. So membership, anyone can register, and you save the changes. So the next thing to do is to go to reading and check. So there are times when you install a theme like this, it still won't show like the demo. So make sure you check under reading, make sure you check that your home page display is under static page. So if it is under latest post, it won't, the main page won't show like this. So you have to choose a static page and choose the main. So that is that. I see. So let's go to permalinks since that's already done. So under permalinks, make sure under the common settings it is post name, because if you are going to have any post on your website, so it will be like your domain / the name of the post. So that is that about the settings. So let's go to the home page and edit the website. So the basic thing we want to do here is to change the logo, change the text, and all the pages. So I'm going to edit the main page. So the page reader that comes with this website is WP Bakery. So let's click on edit with WP Bakery. Let's open our page in a new tab to see. Okay, so it is not recommended for you to edit the website from the front end. The WP Bakery has the front end editor and the back end editor, so it is not recommended for you to edit the website from the front end. So make sure you edit it from the back end. I'm gonna show you in a bit what I mean. Okay, I don't know why it's becoming unresponsive. Let's open another page and close this. Let's give it some minutes. I have a good reception. So it's gonna take us to the backend editor of the website. So as you can see, the layout of the website is this. Best-selling ICO landing page, best-selling ICO landing page. See, as you can see, white paper page, how it works. So this is where you can edit everything. So this is the layout and how you can, it's super simple, as you can see. So let me start editing the website. So click on edit. So you change it, best selling ICO landing page templates for blah blah blah. So most trending clean. So this is it. So I'm not gonna waste much time. So okay, let me show you how to edit the link. So you can see this white paper on page as well has links. So it will link to another page. So let's assume we want to link to this page, token sales. Okay, this is a single, a one pager link. So let's find a page, contacts, join our white list. Okay, since this is a single page. So okay, but that aside, let's assume we wanna, we want to link to another page, maybe contact us page, about us page. So you're just going to click on this pencil icon, edit. So instead of the hash, you replace it to the page phoenixnews.com, apply. So the link has been changed. So the same thing for this and this. So you make sure you click on save changes here. If you don't click on save changes, it won't work. So click on save changes. So that is edited. So the same thing with these two. Go back to the top. So if you want to change this, join our pre-sale list. This is the, so you just have to edit the date, pre-sale starting it, edit the date, payment icon, these are the icon here. So you can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Visa. So if you change the date, the counter will start working. So let's set it to 2021 11, and today is 21. Okay, let's set it to 25. Save changes. So what else before we save it? I think all other things from the website, from the home page, can be edited. Very simple. Okay, let's check the theme page, the theme tab. Okay, the theme is super simple. Click on edit. So this is the text for this guy. So you edit it, you edit the image. So this is how to add an image. Just click on the plus button. So if you have the image from your website, click on select file and upload it from your computer. Once you do that, click on set image, and the image will change here. Change the name, and every other thing you want to do. Click on save changes. So I think that is it. As you can see now, it is super simple to create a Bitcoin landing page. So once you're done with everything, make sure you click on update to save your changes. So once you click on update, all the changes we've made will appear. So let's check it. So you can see the changes appeared. The the countdown is now working, and that is it. So as you can see, it is super simple to create a landing page with WordPress. That is why I recommend WordPress for beginner, and I recommend you getting a theme and installing it as demo, then edit it. So it is super simple. You spend less money, and that is it. So but if you want to develop a website, maybe you want to develop something big, you can hire people from Fiverr, Upwork to help you with that. So I hope you find value from this video. If you have any questions, do let me know. I'm gonna put this theme, the theme we used, I'm gonna put the file in the description of this video, so if you want to use it for free, so you can use it for your website for free. So that is that about the video. Let me know if you have any questions, complaints and additions. So I'm gonna see you in my next video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me to create more videos. Thank you very much.